following various workshops, sections, and accessory systems, namely raw material storage, homogenization workshop, batch plant, melting section, forming section, annealing section, cutting line section, product warehouse, power supply and distribution, electrical control system, nitrogen and hydrogen gas station, air compressor station, circulating water system, and comprehensive office building, laboratory included. Each workshop has following main functions. Raw material storage is for receiving and storing qualified raw materials. Homogenization workshop is for storing the raw materials as well as homogenizing the moisture and chemical components of raw materials from different batches. Batch plant is for weighing and mixing all kinds of qualified raw materials per formula and conveying qualified batch with a certain proportion of cullet to the furnace hopper. In melting section, batch is delivered to furnace by batch chargers. The melting temperature for soda lime glass is up to about 1,590 degrees Celsius in the furnace, where the raw materials undergo physical and chemical reaction, high temperature melting, refining, stirring, cooling and conditioning, etc., and then qualified molten glass is formed. In forming section, the molten glass flows into tin bath through canal, spout, and lip, and there the glass ribbon has an inlet temperature around 1,050 degrees Celsius. In tin bath, the molten glass floats on the surface of the tin liquid to be flattened, polished, thinned, and cooled to become a qualified glass ribbon before leaving the bath. Afterwards, the glass ribbon passes through the lift-out roller and enters the annealing layer at a temperature of about 600 degrees Celsius. In the annealing layer, the glass ribbon is annealed to relieve stress. Here, the glass ribbon has an outlet temperature around 70 degrees Celsius. Then the glass ribbon enters the cutting line. After above process, the glass ribbon goes downstream for defect inspection, cutting and snapping, edge trimming, etc. And then it is picked, stacked, and transported to product warehouse. Product warehouse is for storage and transportation of glass products. Power supply and distribution and electrical control system serves for power supply and distribution. as well as electrical control for the whole plant. Nitrogen and hydrogen gas station is for generating and supplying nitrogen and hydrogen protective gas into tin bath to prevent tin liquid from oxidizing. Air compressor station is for supplying clean compressed air needed by the whole plant. Circulating water system is for providing cooling protection for the thermal equipment of the production line. Laboratory is for analyzing and testing of raw materials and glass products.